The defense team for Amber Heard has rested its case in Johnny Depp's $50 million defamation trial against her. Depp claims his ex-wife defamed him in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed where she discusses being a victim of domestic abuse. Heard never mentioned Depp by name in that op-ed. She is countersuing for $100 million. NBC News correspondent Maura Barrett is following the trial for us today. Maura, how did Amber Heard's attorneys wrap up their arguments?
Well, Aaron, there was a lot of anticipation about whether Amber Heard's team was going to call Johnny Depp back to the stand yesterday as they wrapped up their interviews, and that ultimately did not happen. Yesterday mainly focused on testimony from a psychiatrist who talked about the potential of intimate partner violence between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, and then also a hand surgeon and a doctor who talked about an injury that Johnny Depp sustained back in Australia in 2015, in which he alleged to have been hit with a liquor bottle that broke his hand. The doctor yesterday said that didn't seem to him about how that injury was sustained. And so there's a lot of speculation over how he got this hand injury and then whether or not he assaulted Amber Heard using the cast following the surgery. And so this morning we waited to see if Heard's team would bring Johnny Depp up. They decided not to. They ultimately rested their case. And then Johnny Depp's team put a motion forward to dismiss Heard's countersuit, the one for $100 million. That was ultimately denied this morning, Aaron.
And Maura, we're also hearing new testimony about Johnny Depp's hand injury. What can you tell us about that?
Well, today we heard directly from the doctor that treated Johnny Depp, who knew more of the details and about how the injury was sustained and what he did to treat it. I want you to hear directly of what he testified today.
What was the state of Mr. Depp's hand immediately after that surgery?
It was injured and had soft tissue loss and a fracture of his distal phalanx.
How mobile was Mr. Depp's hand when it was in that cast?
Well, he couldn't move his third and fourth fingers because of the bulkiness of the splint.
Could Mr. Depp grab someone with that cast on his hand?
He could attempt to grab someone. I don't know how successful he would be. He had his index finger free and his thumb free, but the other fingers were probably not being able to move.
So the doctor here, just one of several rebuttal witnesses brought up by Johnny Depp's team. We also heard from an entertainment lawyer who talked about contract negotiations, whether Amber Heard actually did lose any work opportunities because of the alleged defamation. And then we also heard from an economic damages expert who said that Heard's claims of losing money and opportunities was, quote, not adequately supported and unreasonable. Aaron.
All right, Maura Barrett. Maura, thanks.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.